Hello everyone, greetings from PayTabs technical support team. In this series, you are going to learn everything you need to integrate PayTabs CS Card plugin into your CS Card store. Throughout the series, we will walk you through the 7 steps you need to fully understand and integrate the plugin. And now, let's get started. In this video, we are going to move to the next step of our integration manual, which is handling the payment response. Before we start, please note that you can find the full documentation for this step inside PayTabs support portal under the article called the CS Card Plugin Integration Manual. Now, let's move forward. Now that we understand how accepting the payment works as clarified in the last step, we can go to step 5 of the integration manual, which is handling the payment response. Actually, the same case for the last 2 steps goes with this step. It doesn't require any interference from your side because the plugin handled this part for you. But let us understand how this works. Since the CS Card plugin follows our hosted payment page mechanism as clarified in the last step, it mainly relies on the return and the callback to handle the payment responses. Now, to understand and learn more about the return and the callback payment responses, you can check our solution article, What are the 5 ways of receiving transaction responses, and here you will find a clarification for the return and the callback response, and also the differences between them. Please note that since we are here in step 5, we are talking about handling the payment response, we will be handling through the return URL, meaning that this is depend on the customer action, which means if the customer closes the browser right after the payment without waiting to be redirected back to your system, he will not receive the response. Now, we can move to the next step.